Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is how I organize one corner of my bathroom because the soap boxes kept falling on the floor. There's this shaving cream, the cleanser, a bottle of apple cider shampoo, I haven't used that yet, toilet paper, a razor, new razor, more shaving cream in the back, 3 boxes of a Colgate Total, which is terrible toothpaste. I bought it at Costco. The fan. And then boxes of Irish Spring soap. There's 4 boxes underneath and then 1 here. So now they won't fall on the floor. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I'm going to have to get the feather duster and dust that. That's the fan I use when I take a shower. Have a great night. Stay cool. Stay dry. I will catch you next time. I'm going to go feed the cats, come back and do a live video. And I'll talk to you later. Remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month where you see content nowhere else. Later this year, I will have something for my channel members to send out. And click the like button, make comments, nice comments, and get your friends to subscribe and watch the videos. Have a great evening and a great weekend. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.